Hey guys, I'm Kelvin. So in this video, I'm gonna show to you how you're supposed to do a parallel parking with your cars, and you do it like a pro. So this video actually is from a beginner drivers, or is for someone who actually just get the license or been driving for a couple of years but still don't know how to do a parallel parking. So I'm gonna show to you how to do a parallel parkings like a professionals, and you can just get your car parks within a couple of seconds. So now let us check out where are the good spots for me to do the parallel parking. I have been searching for the right place for me to do the parallel car parking demonstrations, but I just get to find the right one without interruptions. Okay guys, so finally I can find a place for me to do a parallel parking, which is here. Well, this parking, this looks just can fit my sedan wheels. So make sure you're on the quarter inch of your back seats, and you start to turn all your steerings here to the left, and after that check out the side mirrors and then start to turn back. Slowly go through everything that you can. And then readjust back to the right positions. Mirrors, check everything's alright. Then yep. Now your car have to be slightly at the back of the in front of the cars. Take this as a back door frames as your guideline. So this must be touching the right guidelines, and then after that you start engage on your reverse gear and then start to turn your steering all the way to the left side if your parallel parking is on the left side, and you will start turning. Slowly turning to the sides, and check out the side mirrors. Make sure that you are not hitting anything, and most important is you have to actually check the right side of the mirrors. So once your car actually is more particular straight on the line over here, is slightly over the plate number of the car, you can start to turn your steerings to the straight and let it enter for a short while. Yep, and checking again, and slowly turn it back to the right side so you can get into the positions. So yep, keep turning, and now is all you gotta do is just check on your left side's mirrors. Make sure that your tire don't hit anything. Going all the way in, and you're right. Tracks. And then after that, switch to the front drive mode. Go back to turn all your steering all to the left sides and start drive to the front. And we are done. Perfect parking skill. Put your gear in the parking positions, move your handbrakes. That's it. Cool. Well guys, check out my parking result. So you can see there's a safe distance between me and the front car over here, and you can see that my wheel don't hit any bumps at the side way, and it's a very kind of safe distance over at the back as well. Perfect parking skill. I know that a lot of people actually tend to skip a parallel car parking spot because it is not easy to perform the parallel car parks without sufficient trainings. A parallel parking is not as easy as just park your car in front of the vehicles or just reverse parking at the vehicles. It's required more than that. If you see in the top level of the parking explanations and how you can perform the parallel car park is your car, this is the front car, and your car park. You want to park over here. Are in between of the car, and then you have to move parallel all the way to the car in front and slightly a little bit back So you take at the door frames guidelines, then make sure that your car actually slightly a little bit back from the front vehicles, and then you start to turn your vehicle into the car park position, and you start reverse all the way, and while turning your steerings along the way until it actually fit to the car park positions. And then once you're inside the car parks, then you readjust back to the car position so that it align and park perfectly. So with a sufficient practice, you can actually park any car that you want easily. You can start with a smaller car or hatchback car like Viva, Myvis, and so on, and then started move on to the sedan cars and Honda City, Altis, Honda Accords, and so on. Eventually you can park a bigger car like MPV, SUV. So with sufficient training, you can actually eventually master this skill, and once you master this skill, you can park any car that you want. So guys, if you love my car tips, please subscribe to my Facebook and also YouTube channel. So see you guys in the next car tips. Bye bye.